What is the attraction of a home-based affiliate marketing business? Many of us dream of packing our jobs in. We would love to tell our bosses to take this job and shove it. Many of us are frightened of doing what we most desire. The fear of leaving that secure source of income stops most, those who get past that fear that don't have the capital to get a business up and running. A home business does take money if it is run as a sole proprietorship. However, starting a home-based affiliate marketing business is a completely different kettle of fish. Setting up a home-based affiliate marketing business is relatively easy, and there are several factors that make it very attractive. One of the most desirable factors is the privilege of being able to work from your own home. Your home is your most comfortable surrounding. Everything you want and need is right there. If you have small children, a home business is even better. You can work and still be home with the children. You also don't need to worry about commuting and work wardrobes. You can work when you want and schedule your jobs around your other commitments. Working from home does provide people with many wonderful advantages. A home-based affiliate marketing business builds on that even further. A home business, if it is run as a sole proprietorship, will need a significant amount of startup money. Even small businesses need a fairly large amount. Most people rely on banks for the financing, which puts them at further risks. When you sign on as an affiliate, the risk level drops by about 90%. When you sign up as an affiliate, you're either selling goods or services on behalf of another company. You are paid according to how well you perform. You don't have to worry about sales targets and making a certain amount every month. The company you work for worries about all of that. You concentrate on selling the goods and services that you want and increasing your earnings. A home-based business that is run as a sole proprietorship has to worry about competition. Unless you really hit upon a niche market, you are likely going to have to attract customers away from already established businesses in your area. This can be difficult because customers tend to trust what they know is good. If you do manage to do it, you will be creating some bad blood between you and other businesses. By working through a home-based affiliate marketing program, you'll be selling products that have already been on the market. You can actually check the salability of these products with the company. If the products you choose are well known and trusted, and you won't have a problem attracting customers. This takes the stress off of you. A home-based business that is run as a sole proprietorship can take years to get established. On average, nearly 70% of small businesses fail in the first year. Those that do make still have many hurdles to get past. It usually takes 5 to 7 years to realize any significant profit in a sole proprietorship. During this time, the business owners have to continually promote their business just to keep it afloat. A home-based affiliate marketing business is much easier to manage. You will have to work hard to promote yourself, but most of the startup work will be done for you. You'll have your line of products or services and ways to advertise them. You'll also have support from a company representative. They will be on hand to answer questions and offer advice on how to increase your sales. Remember, the better you do, the better they do. Running a business as a sole proprietorship can be extremely rewarding. If you're one of the lucky ones that makes it, the financial rewards can be tremendous. However, the odds are stacked against you when you take this option. A home-based affiliate marketing company minimizes the risk and offers you support when you need it. You will still have to work extremely hard, but the rewards will be well worth it.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.